Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this sticky effect in Framer. So first let me explain you what's going on in here. We have the benefit section and inside we have a container, then we have a text and a cards wrapper. The cards wrapper contains 4 different cards as you can see. And now we want to add the sticky effect to the text and to the cards. So let me first select the text, go to position and change from relative to sticky. Select the cards now, again go to position and change from relative to sticky. Press Ctrl P to preview and unfortunately it doesn't work. That is a common mistake by beginners and let me explain why this happens. You need first to make sure that everything has a overflow visible. And when I say everything, I mean every parent of the sticky element. So in this case, we start with the desktop and put the overflow to visible. Then we go to the section, change from hidden to visible as well, container, and then the cards wrapper. And now if I press Ctrl P, as you can see, we have a sticky effect. However, I want to add some padding for the top, for the cards and for the text as well. So select the text and in the top field type in 80. Now select the cards. I will start with the first card, type in 80 as well, then 90. For the third card I will type in 100 and for the last one I will type in 110. Press Ctrl P to preview again and now looks much better. I want to add one more last effect. Select each card, go to rotate and for the first card I will type in 3 degrees. For the second one I will type in -3 degrees. And now for the third one I will type 3 degrees again and for the last one -3. Let's preview it for the last time and voila guys, that is how you create this nice sticky effect inside Framer. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time.